Attorney Coleman has, looks like 5 matters. Attorney Pallets has maybe 10 or 15. So I'm going to start the breakout rooms just for their defendants. So if legal aid is representing some of these, if Lakeshore Legal has some of these people, just notify the court. But that way, I don't know. I think I'm gonna try today to see if we can, so defendants can know where to go. Make sure that everybody's checked in, so that people in the gallery aren't supposed to be in Sean's case, but clean up the gallery. So I'll try it today and see how it works. Attorney Coleman will have a breakout room. Then I'll start some. I'll do a Lakeshore as well. And I'll leave the other rooms open so that you can send people to those rooms for a one-on-one conversation. Let's see how that works.
Excuse me, Judge.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is Chelsea Williams. I was just notified that I'm here for court. I'm just on my mother's Zoom, so it says Deanne Williams, but this is Chelsea Williams.
Okay, and what does your notice say this morning? Good morning, Ms. Williams.
Good morning.
I want to make sure you're in the right courtroom.
Okay. Well, this the meeting ID they gave me. What are you asking for? The people who take me to court?
All right, what's your case number?
It's on there at the top, ain't it? I don't know how to look for that. The case number is 233-42016.
23342.
Yes, 016.
Judge Sean Jacquet, you're on the wrong Zoom. If you can grab a pen and paper, and that can give you the correct Zoom number to the correct judge.
Okay. Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, it's 360 538
Okay.
0000.
00. Okay, thank you.
Oh, you got it? Okay, you wrong.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
He said 00000. 00000.
Was that for her or for me? No, that was for you. Oh.
Is it on? Excuse me.
Yes.
This is Joan Solomon. I was checking to see if I was in the right courtroom.
Do you have a case number by chance?
Yes. The case number is 223-96875.
Okay, you are in the wrong courtroom. If you can grab a pen and paper, I can direct you to the correct Zoom number for the correct judge.
Okay,
And tell me when you're ready for the number.
I'm ready.
Okay, it's 360
360
538
538
0000.
00.
That's Judge Sean Jacque, JACQUE.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, can I also get some help to see if I'm in the right courtroom?
Sure. Do you have your case number on hand?
Yes, it's 223-94344.
One second.
Okay.
Judge, I don't know if this is set for us. It says today at 11:05.
11:05.
Yeah, then it has from Judge Brew 2533.
I had another court date for 3/3/23. And then I got some paperwork before that court date saying that I had to be in court today. I'm just confused. There's a lot of stuff going on with my case. So I was wondering why I had to come today when I had a court date for 3/3/23.
All right, let's. The hearing was adjourned it says the hearing was adjourned today at 11:05. And the hearing got scheduled for February 3rd and was reassigned to me. The hearing is adjourned February 3rd, and it's a pretrial schedule for March 3rd at 9:30.
So the paperwork that I got for the 24th that's not correct.
I don't see you on my docket.
Okay, because I wanted to make sure I didn't miss a date.
Dan? Well, I can tell you this. Your case won't be called today because I don't have your case on my docket or in my stack. So I know you won't miss anything today. And I'll
Okay.
check for March 3rd. Are you a defendant or a plaintiff?
I'm the defendant.
Judge, from the last file at the bottom, I did see where there was one that wasn't on the docket. I wonder is this that one? Last one.
I guess my landlord has changed. They've changed hands to another property management. So I talked to a legal aid the last time that I was in court, and the lawyer was supposed to call me. I called him multiple times, but he said that he was busy or he was in court because the paperwork was not in order. They hadn't switched it over to the new owner yet. So that's what they were waiting on, trying to switch it to the new owner. And plus I didn't have, it's called the ledger, because they didn't give me my $2,000 security deposit back. So I
All
wanted
right,
to,
I don't wanna talk, I don't wanna go into details of the case.
okay.
We just need to. It looks like you're scheduled for March 3rd at 9:30. Is it a way to check? You can check
Okay.
the March 3rd, Doc.
Oh, sure, Judge.
I mean, on the, all right, give us 1 sec. Mr. Nashua,
Judge, just if you wouldn't mind, Your Honor, is there any chance you can ask the defendants if they'd like to speak to legal aid before sending them into their breakout room? My apologies for the request, but just want to be
That's all
helpful
right.
here.
yeah, I think it'll be helpful.
Thank you, sir.
It is scheduled for 9:30, Judge, I do see.
Scheduled for
March 3rd.
9:30 on March 3rd.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Johnson, you're scheduled for, we looked at the March 3rd schedule, and you're on that schedule for
Okay.
9.
Okay.
So I don't know, maybe you failed to appear and we adjourned it, or.
No,
I'm not-
I've come to each one. It's switched. They had switched the names to the new company for me to report today. And then I still had they must not have changed it over. It's still the old company still. So
So
I
what courtroom are you zooming in? What does your notice say? Does it say 436?
it has, let me see. I'm sorry.
Because is this the same case? Did they file 2 cases on you? And you're.
533. I don't think they filed. No, I have the same case number. It's the same number.
4344 ending in?
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah, I'll see you March 3rd.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you for checking in.
Okay, bye-bye.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. And also, Your Honor, following what Issa just mentioned, for those tenants who may want to speak with a Lakeshore attorney, they can also raise their hands, and that'll help monitor the flow.
I agree.
Thank you,
And
Your Honor.
then, good morning, Mr. Tisha.
Good morning. Hold on. Good morning. So, Your Honor, actually, I had a question. I wanted to check in. I'm here representing plaintiff Bridget Brooks. The notice says to go to courtroom 533, but it is a landlord-tenant matter, and they're in that Zoom courtroom.
You're in the right courtroom.
Okay, I just want to make sure. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm logging in to 533 right now. I do it every morning, and I find some attorneys and some defendants in there every morning. Just to let you, well, I'll wait until 9:30. But it's encouraged to try to get in touch with the defendants and actually try to get this done today, because I can't issue default judgments due to the defects in the notice and the amount of motions to set aside defaults. The court won't enter default judgments on any defendants that haven't appeared. And I'm just going to adjourn them back to the originally scheduled court date before it was brought up to the early date. That's been the direction of the court. So that's what I'm tasked to follow. But if defendants are here, we can get it done. So I'm not calling defaults. Defaults turn into adjournment, unfortunately. So fortunately or unfortunately, whatever the circumstance may be, but. So if you have a defendant who hasn't shown up and you have their contact information, it may be beneficial to call them and tell them to show up today in court, or request them to show up, because I have to adjourn this if they don't show up. if you have a hearing scheduled for 8:30 or 9 o'clock and you are not Latoya Murphy, you are in the wrong courtroom. Let us know, we'll let you know, tell you where to go. Jeanette's iPhone.
Yes,
What's your name?
Jeanette Foster.
Okay, are you in the right courtroom?
Yes, I called several times and they said I'm supposed to be here. Then when I came here the first time, they said I'm supposed to go to another courtroom, and then that courtroom told me to come back here.
What's your case number?
Well, it's here, she's scheduled for 9:35.
9:35?
Yes,
Okay, with Monique White?
yes.
All right, we checked in. Madam Court Reporter, can we change Jeanette's iPhone to Jeanette Foster?
You said Lynette Foster?
Jeanette Foster, ending in 633.
Your Honor, I don't have privileges.
Ooh, it's an issue.
I just noticed. Okay.
Louis Benson in the right place?
I don't even see him scheduled, Your Honor, for any landlord case, landlord and tenant case.
Mr. Benson. Mr. Benson. Louis Benson.
Oh, there he is.
Needs to be in Japan.
At 1:30, yes, Judge.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got 1:30.
Yes.
morning, Mr. Benson.
Good morning.
I couldn't get your attention earlier. That's why we removed you from the room. Your notice probably says 436. These cases are supposed to be in 538 with Judge JK. You're scheduled for 1:30 with Judge JK. So I'm going to give you a new Zoom code.
Okay.
And a lot of people have the same situation. So this, let's see.
Is the case number? Is the case number? Go ahead.
We already found your case number. You're
Okay.
supposed to be in 538. Let me give you the Zoom code. It's 436. I'm sorry. 360.
Wait a minute. 360.
538 0000.
That's 4 zeros.
4 zeros.
Okay.
So it's really that middle group. That's the courtroom. So it's 360. Was it 538?
Yes.
538 0000. And if you found it through the website, it's Judge JK. But we see your schedule for 1:30, I think. Yes, it's 1:30 today?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Check your notice. I think you're scheduled for 1:30.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Good luck.
And Judge, I
Thank
see Patrice Lockhart. She's scheduled for Judge Sean JK also at 9:30.
Ms. Lockhart, did you hear that?
I didn't know. I thought I was for just to see you, Your Honor.
Yeah, I see you on Judge JK's docket. Case number ending in 887.
Okay, so I need to join a different Zoom meeting.
Yeah, 538, room 538. So if you got it through the website, it'll be under the landlord-tenant, Judge JK. If you got it from the Zoom code, it'll be 360. Put it in the chat. 538.
Hold on, let me write it down. Damn. Okay. Okay. Let me say it again.
360 538 0000. And Stacy Smith, yes. Yes, you are.
Yes.
Yeah, you're in the right one.
Hello, yes. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can you repeat that one more time just to be honest, so I can be on the safe side?
Yeah, and I put it in the chat as well, but it's 360 538 0000.
Okay, thank you. Is the time still the same? Is that 9:30?
9:30.
9:30, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh. iPhone 3, John, Nokia X100.
Yes, that's me.
All right, what's your name?
Dorjan Spicer.
What's your case number?
Case number
What time are you scheduled for court?
9:30.
And what courtroom does your notice say?
I don't see a courtroom.
Dorjan Spicer?
Yes, that's me.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Spicer.
Good morning.
All right, you're supposed to be in 538.
538. So 360-538-000.
0, yeah.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Try to name yourself when you go into the other courtroom so they can check you in without, stopping the court. It helps.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, Mr. Marchese.
Good morning, Your Honor. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. I want to ask defendants if they talk to legal counsel, but I've started a breakout room for you as well as Attorney Coleman today, because we all have majority of the cases. I don't know if it'll make things more effective, but the defendants that I have that are on your matters, I'm going to direct them to join those breakout rooms. I'll ask them if they want counsel before I send them.
That's fine. More than happy to.
Thank you, Your Honor, for checking to see if the individuals would like counsel.
I understand. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. You are welcome. Our court is going to check in some people that are in 533.
Lugman Bow, you need to connect to audio. Mr. Bow, are you connected with audio?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes. What time was your hearing for today?
9:30. Can you hear me?
Yes, trying to find you. Oh, okay. I see you. You're in the right courtroom.
Okay. What do I do? I see a lot of people. I don't know who are these people. Like, I'm looking at somebody now. I don't know. I don't even know what the first time I did this.
Just sit tight.
Okay.
The device that's labeled Reese, we will need you to put your full name in, and you also need to connect to audio.
Who, me?
No, Reese, you're good.
Okay.
Zoom user, can we have your name, please?
Madam Court Reporter, she put her information in the chat. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Shakita Lynch, I see you're scheduled for 9:35 and you are checked in.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello? Hello?
Yes? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. Mr. Bo, please relax.
Everyone, please remain patient. We have 2 courtrooms going on right now, and I'm checking everyone else into 436 so that everyone is in the same courtroom. I have people zoom in to 533, which your notices say. So I'm bringing everyone to 436. That means that cases won't move if defendants aren't there because they're in the wrong courtroom. So be patient. Please be patient this morning. And good morning. Happy Friday.
Good morning.
If you don't have your full name up, we don't have you checked in. And it's gonna slow down the docket when you say you're here, when we don't know you're here, then you're gonna have to go talk to legal counsel, then legal counsel is gonna have to talk to plaintiff's counsel before we can call your case, and you're not gonna get out of here before 12 o'clock. So please, name yourself when you come in, because we don't know who you are, and we're not in person.
Reginald Nelson.
Thank you, Mr. Nelson. I appreciate you.
Mm-hmm.
Reginald Nelson, I see Attorney Pallets is here. Your case number is ending in 664. Well, not Attorney Pallets, but Attorney Marchese, who's doing his docket. Did you speak, are you retained by legal counsel, or do you want to speak to legal counsel before you talk to Mr. Pallets?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. You'll get a notification.
Okay.
Let's see. Thank you, Mr. Nelson.
Device that is labeled Reese, can we have your name?
Mr. Marchese.
Sir, I'm ready.
Anybody who's checked in who doesn't want legal counsel will be in Attorney Palace's breakout room. So you can at least kind of keep in keep an eye on what's going on or who needs to talk to you for your upcoming cases. And I gave you co-host privileges, so you should be able to navigate. So Reginald Nelson is in there right now. If you'd like to talk to him. I want to call a few names before I call a few cases. Muhammad Haq.
Yes.
Are you here? Is Mr. Bo here? Lukeman Bo?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, everybody remain patient. Mr. Bo, did you want to talk to legal counsel?
I don't know. I'm just here because I was supposed to come back March 6th, but they sent me something in the mail and said come today for a free trial.
Okay, Mr. Bo, I'm going to send you a prompt to the Lakeshore Legal Lobby where they can talk to you. And if you don't want counsel, then we can proceed. If you do want counsel, but you sound like you don't know, so I'm going to send you to Lakeshore.
Okay.
You
Hey,
received the
Burns,
prompt?
you're in the right place.
Okay,
Yeah. So I could press join right now?
Yeah, click join. Lakeshore, somebody's in your breakout room.
Okay.
And your labeled lobby.
Okay.
Mr. Burns' case ending in 727 at 9:35. You are checked in.
Yes.
Okay, iPhone. Reese. Good morning. Can you rename yourself? Reese, who's on Zoom, can you name yourself so we can identify you?
Sharice Biles.
Can you rename yourself?
Sharice Biles.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What time would that be, Judge? Bios?
I don't see her on.
I don't either.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
It was at 9:30, pre-trial conference.
And John Davis, you need to go to 538. I just looked at the docket. I see that case numbers in 538.
538. So that's 360-538.
0000.
Okay, 538.
I'm not understanding where.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was given two different courtroom as well in the chat for Stacy Smith, 538 and 436.
This is the correct courtroom, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we confirmed that.
Thank you.
And you were checked in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ms. Biles, how do you spell your last name?
B as in boy, YLES.
And your first name?
Sharice, SHERESE.
I'm calling all the 930s and the 935 cases. And if you don't hear your name, that means that you are not here in this courtroom. We get started with, and then utilize the chat. I mean, you all can still communicate with each other, but utilize the chat. Because I need to use the airwaves. Calling case number 2239-4314, Bill Properties LLC versus Latoya Murphy and occupants on Prairie. We'll recall this case. Parties are notified that they're communicating with each other. Mr. Hawk, your case will be called when Mr. Bowe is out of the breakout room. Doesn't look like he's ready to go. Mr. Tate, is Mr. Bowe retained?
Your Honor, I don't know if Mr. Bowe is retained right now. Well, I can ask Mr. Hawk if he would like to speak with an attorney from Lakeshore as advice only before his case is called.
No, Mr. Hawk is the plaintiff.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Yeah, okay, and Mr. Bowe, I see is in a breakout room with the law clerk, so
yeah,
it's fine. I'll recall this case. Calling case number 2239-5946, Midpoint Real Estate Services versus Rashida Thomas and occupants on Greenfield.
Good morning, Your Honor. Diane Wyrock on behalf of plaintiff P59773.
Good morning. Counsel, is Rashida Thomas here? Is Rashida Thomas here? So I'm not sure if you have Ms. Thomas's information, but court has been instructed not to enter any default judgments. So I would ordinarily call a default at 10:30 if she doesn't appear, but in this circumstance, it would be an adjournment if she doesn't appear to the original date on March 6th at 9:30. So
March 6th at 9:30?
At 9:30. So I can either, you can take the adjournment date right now or wait around if you think she'll show up, but it's up to you.
I'll take the adjournment date and that'll make it easier for you guys.
All right. You have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
That's number one. All right, Stacy. Ms. Smith. Calling case number 2239-5956, Stacy Smith versus Anita Page and occupants on Tuxedo.
Yes, Stacy Smith.
Thank you. Ms. Smith, are you driving?
I'm pulled over.
Okay. Is Anita Page here? Ms. Smith?
Yes.
We have notice issues for these matters. So there are two things that we can do today. If Ms. Page arrives, we can conduct this hearing. If Page doesn't arrive, then I have to adjourn this matter to March 6th, the originally scheduled date. So if you'd like to wait, I know you have multiple cases, so if...
Yes, I can wait. I'll try to reach out to all of them because I don't see anyone in court one.
All right, I'll hold off on calling the rest of you. I'll call your defendants, but I'll hold off on calling your cases and just give the court an update if you contact me.
Thank you.
Well, is Eric Mitchell here for occupants on Penrod? Is Crystal Page here? Crystal Page. Is Rachel Ellis Owens here?
She was
Anybody
here
on the
earlier.
council?
It looks
She
like
was here.
I'm the only person that came to court today.
No, I'm
Well, I didn't
Sharonda
tell them
Thomas.
all the landlords.
Did you call for Sharonda?
Who is the cell phone ending in 2840?
This is Sharonda Thomas. I'm sorry, I didn't have any power, so I tried to call. I couldn't get any type of Wi-Fi connection.
Okay, okay. We're understanding, court's understanding of that. Who else? I called out some names and people responded. Is Adrian Tatum here? Is Rachel Ellis Owens here? Rachel Ellis Owens, Ms. Smith has responded to Ms.
Yes.
Owens. Please, can you please log into 436? I've been sending messages in the chat and trying to get your attention. You're in the wrong courtroom, Ms.
How do I do that?
How did you get in this courtroom? You entered the Zoom code? Okay, I need you to enter a new code. So, Ms. Smith, when she checks in, I'm gonna put you all in the breakout room to have a conversation. You have to see if she wants counsel. Counsel is here, but I'm checking her in right now in the other courtroom.
Okay, thank you.
And Ms. Atisha Sharonda Thomas seems to be present. I think she just checked in. She was in the other courtroom as well. Okay, ma'am, are you ready on the iPhone?
Yes.
436 0000.
Hello.
Yeah. It's in the chat. All right. Calling case number 22395978, Bridget Brooks versus Sharonda Thomas and occupants on Rutherford. Is Sharonda Thomas here?
Yeah, this is me. I'm here.
Okay. Counsel, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Ashley Atisha, P82009 on behalf of the plaintiff, and my client, Ms. Brooks, is here as well.
Ms. Brooks, can you state your name?
Bridget Brooks.
Brooks. And Ms. Thomas, can you state your name?
Sharonda Thomas.
Okay, parties had the opportunity to work out some type of agreement or arrangement.
Actually,
To establish a move out date with Miss Thomas. She owes November, December, January, February, and $150 for October. It's her total due by the end of February is $3,400. This is the second hearing. There are multiple issues between the landlord and tenant. Police reports have been filed. Both I and a detective have advised the landlord to no longer speak to the tenant because there's been multiple issues happening. So really, we're just seeking to recover possession at this point.
I don't understand what she's talking about. They got cited by the city in compliance, and we had a court date for March 6th. So only thing I know is somebody was supposed to come work on the floor. I did make police reports because she had random people coming in trying to work on stuff, not communicating with me. I have not talked to Ms. Brooks
So when you
since.
say, Ms. Thomas, when you say random people coming in, you just said that you had somebody, you requested them to fix the floors. Did you know?
No,
I
but
mean, did you have
I
an
don't know.
idea?
I had to call the police because the man did not leave a card. He did not fix anything. I had to call off work. Every time she has somebody to come look at something, I have to call off work. So I stood there with the police for them to be my witness that I called off work. She never fixed the floor. She never fixed the furnace. I got sick off the furnace. That's how this all started. Because my
So is the house not habitable?
The inspector said that she did not comply and he had to cite her. So I asked him, what do I do for the next step? Because I'm not sure if she even got the furnace fixed. She had got cited about it.
Do you have heat?
Yes, I do have heat. I pay for the heat. And that's another thing because she making me pay for heat tenants upstairs and myself. And that was not a part of the agreement. The DTE bill got up to $4,000. And I asked her, we need to sit down and split up the bill because you cannot tell me upstairs.
Your Honor, may I reply, please?
And there.
Ms. Thomas, can you please, when's the last time rent was paid?
The last was paid was in October, and she told me that she only wanted $950 from me, right? When the inspector came, he said
asked one question, Ms. Thomas.
I'm sorry.
Your Honor, I can answer that. The last time rent was paid was October. She paid
It was in October. He asked.
All right,
It was in October.
I'm gonna put you all in a breakout room. You all need to have a conversation. When you're ready to go, we can record this matter. Okay, okay. Do you need legal counsel, Ms. Thomas?
Yes, because I was speaking with someone before because they told me that I would have to sue her because she wasn't even registered to rent to me in the first place.
I can speak to her, Your Honor.
All right. Room 5. On case number 22395982, Fountain Court Housing Cooperative versus Jessica Daniels and opposite occupants on Lawton.
Good morning, Your Honor. Julie Croda on behalf of the plaintiff, Fountain Court.
Good morning. Is Jessica Daniels here?
Yeah. Yes,
Morning,
I'm here. Good morning.
Have parties had a chance to discuss this matter?
We have not, Your Honor.
I wasn't even served properly, Your Honor.
I'm gonna let you talk to legal aid if you like to. Do you want to talk to legal aid?
Yes, please.
All right. I'm gonna put you in the Lakeshore Legal breakout room and I'll have a conversation with you. I'll call it. And then Lakeshore will probably have a conversation with counsel. Counsel, can you put your P number up?
Yes, Your Honor. P39367.
No, just let's see.
Oh, you want it up on the screen?
39367.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that'll work. I'll put it up. It's just the court reporter.
Excuse me, can I say something? Excuse me, can I say something?
You're already talking, ma'am, so go for it.
My name is Rachel Owens. I was in a different courtroom. They told me to come over here. Rachel Ellis Owens.
Okay.
All right.
Tracy Smith is the landlord.
Yes.
So, Ms. Smith, Ms. Owens is here.
Hello?
Hi.
I want to check in.
He got you, Miss Owens.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Can we have, what's your name?
Crystal Page.
Crystal Page.
Hello?
She's with
Can
me.
I check in?
Hello?
Yes, can I check in?
She should be at 9:30 with us today, Judge.
Yes, Crystal Page. Can we rename Crystal Page? All right, let's see. Okay. All right, that's Crystal Page.
Hello?
I want to check in.
All right, who can, Crystal Page, can you speak again?
Yes, I'm Crystal Page.
Okay, who's the other person on the cell phone?
Rachel
Hello,
Owens,
Miles.
Rachel Ellis Owens.
Can I check in?
What's your name? Who just spoke?
Hello, Miles.
Enter your meeting ID followed by pound.
Where is he going?
You entered
Hello.
0436000. This meeting ID does not exist. Please re-enter your meeting ID followed by pound.
Calling case number 2239-5995, Raziel LLC versus Monte Crawford, and occupants on Stansbury. Monte Crawford here. Is anyone on Stansbury?
Hello?
Hello, can I check
Calling
in?
case number 2239-4196, Clear Sky LLC versus Felicia Nicole Evans and occupants on 3 Mile.
Hello.
Good morning, Ms. Evans.
Can I check?
Good morning.
Ms. Evans, your case is with Attorney Shaman this morning. Do you have legal counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. For Felicia Evans.
Good morning, Mr. Mozzie. All
Morning,
right,
Your
have you talked to Attorney Shaman?
We have, we're just seeking a control date today.
All right. All right. Court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 3rd at 9:35 a.m.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. It's just so much background. I couldn't hear you.
All right, your counsel will keep you updated, Ms. Evans.
Okay.
But your court date is rescheduled.
Okay.
March
Thank you,
3rd.
Your Honor.
March 3rd at what time?
I'll call you after court, Miss Evans.
Okay.
9:35. Or 9:30. Let's say 9:30. 9:35 a.m.
Okay. I couldn't quite hear you, but she said she would talk to me after court. Do I leave court now?
Yes, you can log out. I'll give you a call.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we have a lot of
Can I
people.
check in?
What is your name?
Yeah, can I check in?
Can you tell me your name?
Hello, Miles.
All right, I'm gonna remove you from the Zoom room because we can't talk to you. You're not telling us your name. You're calling in on the phone. We don't know who you are.
My name is
And I have-
Tamiko Tatum.
All right,
Hello?
we have somebody. Tamika Tatum.
Yes.
All right, let's check some more people. Let's check everybody in first, and then we'll get going. There's no way to get through this document without checking people in. So court call cases at 10:15. We're gonna take a 10-minute break, check everybody in. So everybody's name, everybody's where they're supposed to be, and then we can keep calling cases and practice some more.
Check in.
Miko Tatum.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I have you checked in. You're in the right place.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So it's two of them.
Sir with the black shirt, iPad 2, what is your name?
Carl Reed.
I got the read part. Say your first name again for us.
Carl, C-A-R-L.
And do you have a case number by chance? I don't see you so far.
Yes, I do.
Okay, go ahead.
223-969-50.
Okay, you're in front of Judge Jakay. And do you have a pen to write this down?
1 second.
And if everyone could grab a pen and paper just to be ready for the judge and ready for his instructions. Please, everyone grab a pen and paper just to be ready for the judge's instructions.
All right, I have a pen and paper.
Okay, the Zoom number is 360-538-0000. Miss with the black shirt, glasses, it's the same for you. You're in the wrong courtroom also. I've been trying to message you like 5 times telling you that.
Sharice, you talking to Sharice Biles?
Yep.
Okay. What? Okay. Excuse
Write
me.
this Zoom number down. 360-538-0000.
So leave here and go there now.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How do I do that?
Shit, I'm gonna be asleep in a minute. Come on. Oh,
Please no outbursts like that, please.
I'm sorry.
What? I'm trying to see how do I get out of here.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thank you.
Oh, darn it, I can't. They took it away from me. There should be a button at the top. It says leave meeting. Okay. Someone signed in under an iPhone. What is your name for court? Okay.
Excuse me, I think I may be in the wrong courtroom. This is Marcus Philbin. Just trying to see if
Marcus Philbin?
Yes.
Do you have a case number by chance?
I may. This is my old paperwork. I seem to misplace my my most recent, but It's 223-86-824. This is like off of an old document, so I don't know if it's the same case number.
See, your judge is Christina Kennedy.
Okay.
Don't have her Zoom number on hand.
Is it on the? It's right here on the website here.
Okay, yeah, you can just press that and it'll connect right to her courtroom.
Thank you, sir.
Well.
Oh.
Roy Jimerson,
Yes.
you're also in the wrong courtroom. If you can grab a pen and paper and write this number down, or the Zoom number down.
Okay.
It is 360-538-0000. Judge Sean Jacquet.
Sean, pardon, could you repeat that?
Jacque.
Okay, how about for Jay Burns? Am I in the right courtroom?
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nate. Okay, they gave me another courtroom. I don't know how to get to it though, but they gave me the number.
Okay.
Want it on me.
Hello, can I check in?
Yes, what is your name?
Cheryl Miles. Case number 22396-737.
Say that one more time, 2239.
6737.
10 o'clock.
You said your name is Cheryl Miles?
Yes.
Okay.
10 a.m., Mr. Nevels.
Yep, sure it is. You are in the right place, Miss Miles. We have you checked in.
Can I check in too, please? Put it on mute.
Yes, please.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Thank you.
Could I check in as well, please?
Yes, what is your name?
My name is Brooklyn Marinas. I'm just making sure I'm in the right courtroom because it says 533 on my paper.
Yeah.
But I called
Right. At what time?
10 o'clock.
Yep, we have you checked in. You're in the correct
All right.
place.
Thank you.
I don't know if I'm in the right courtroom either. I've been asking this question in the chat.
Your name Latoya Freeman?
Yes.
Hello?
What time were you scheduled for, Miss Freeman?
9:30.
6874. I think it's 6874. Based on that, she's in. Is it Invest Detroit Real Estate, Samuel Price, Minnie Belevins?
Yes.
Yeah, you're in GK. You're in 538.
Hello, may I check in?
Oh.
Elite, what's your name? What's your case? We need case numbers. If you have your case number, let's just start with case numbers and times your court date was scheduled.
Hello?
Are you listening to the court, sir? Are you listening to us? Can you hear us?
I can hear you now.
All right.
Yes.
What's your name?
Lamar Britt.
All right, what's your case number?
223-95678.
Can I check in next?
Judge, I don't see him on the docket. I do see where it says a pretrial. Oh, it says adjourned from 2:20. Since defendant failed to appear, plaintiff was scheduled, motion for reconsideration scheduled for March the 21st at 8:30.
Scheduled for March 21st at 8:30?
Yes.
You're scheduled for March 21st at 8:30.
That's for me?
I don't even know who you are. Is this the case number ending in 5678?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, with Glencoe LLC, Lamar Britt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have a motion. You filed a motion?
No, I don't know what's going on.
All right, well, you're back in court. It's a motion for reconsideration, March 21st, 2023. It looks like a default judgment was filed. It was a failure to appear last court date, and this is probably the originally scheduled court date. So you appear here today. Did you have a notice for today?
Yes, that's yeah. I had a notice for the day. I don't have
You
anything
appeared here today. Your court date was moved up 3 weeks. You didn't know it. I defaulted you. I entered a default judgment, and the default judgment was entered. there are notice problems that brought you to court today, and this should have been your hearing date.
Okay.
But a motion for reconsideration is scheduled now to get the hearing date reinstated, and that is March 21st. So if you can resolve issues with your landlord in the meantime, if you're the defendant or if you're the landlord, solve issues, well, yeah, you're the defendant. Try to resolve your issues, because either it's going to be a hefty balance when you do end up in court, or it's resolved and we don't have to, we don't really have to hear anything. So you'll be back March 21st at 8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m.
And try naming your and log into Zoom early. Name your device so people know who you are, because there's a lot of confusion going on. So you don't want your cases to be overlooked.
Okay. Can I is it a way I can talk to a lawyer or something? Like a breakout room?
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Lakeshore Legal, so then they can
Okay.
talk to you.
Thank you.
When you see the, you're welcome. You see the prompt?
I see it. Yep. All right.
Attorney Marchese and Attorney Coleman, I'm preparing your cases. As I've been notifying people, there are no default judgments being issued.
And why is that, Your Honor?
Because that's the direction of the court. Because
Would I enter any defaults today?
Can't get any defaults, only adjournments to the originally scheduled court date.
All right, I got a few dismissals. It is what it is.
Hello?
Please join the breakup. You've been prompted. All right, so.
Hey, Doc.
All right, this gotta stop. Who is 9422? All right. People just gonna, well, it can't get default judgment, so guess we just adjourn that case to the next court date. All right. Attorney Marchese, I'm calling your defendants. And then if they're not here, I'll recall your cases and we can set these adjournment dates, whatever your pleasure is. And then Attorney Coleman, I'll call yours next. And then everyone else is in pro per except for Cox. And I'll call his third. On case number 22396662, CCA CB Detroit versus Damon Cunningham and occupants on Park Avenue.
Dan Marchese, P75872, plaintiff.
Damon Cunningham here. Counsel, would you like to wait or receive an adjournment date?
You giving out the March 3rd, the original date?
Yeah, at 9:35 a.m.
That's fine.
All right.
Oh, cool. Thank you, Judge.
Calling case number 22396663, CCA CBD Detroit versus Shakita Lynch and occupants on Park Avenue.
Dan Marchese, P75872, plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Sean Tate, P57767 with Lakeshore Legal Aid, representing Ms. Lynch. Ms. Lynch is currently in the breakout room. Can we pass this matter so I can speak with Mr. Marchese about it?
Sure. I'll recall this
Thank you, Your
matter.
Honor.
I'll call Mr. Tate, I'll call the rest of his matters and then you all may end up with more than one. So calling case number 22396664. CBD Detroit versus Reginald Nelson and occupants on Park Avenue.
Dan Marchese, P75872, plaintiff.
Thank you.
I'm here.
Reginald? Okay, yeah, Mr. Nelson. Did you all have were you all able to work a resolution?
Yes, sir, we have a resolution.
All right.
Those terms on the record.
Okay.
In this matter, we reached a conditional dismissal where defendant is to pay the amount of $3,221.19 by March 24th, 2023. He did make a $2,000 payment today, so I just added language in there that the check, just to make sure that the
So
check.
that gotta be her bag, she but. So bag.
You talking, Mr. Marchese?
I've advised him that he has a right to an attorney, that he has a right to trial, and the 3-day rule. I just need his permission to sign.
No.
Okay, do you understand the agreement, Mr. Nelson?
Yes, I do.
All right, and you give consent to sign your name?
Yes.
Mr. Marchese? Okay. All right, well, good luck.
Okay, thank you.
I'll enter this conditional dismissal when it's received by the court. Thank you, Mr. Marchese. Thank you, Mr. Nelson.
Okay, thank you. You also.
Thank you. Calling case number 2239-6724, Orleans Landing versus Anas Beydoun and occupants of Woodbridge.
Dan Marchese, P75872 plan.
Thank you, Mr. Marchese. Is Anas Beydoun here? Is Anas Beydoun present? Counsel, would you like to wait around for Mr. Beydoun or?
Not really. The March 3rd date's fine.
March 3rd, 2023 at 9:35 a.m. That's the originally scheduled court date. Calling the next case, 2239-6726, Orleans Landing versus Kenyatta Bishaw and occupants on Atwater.
Dan Marchese, P75872 plan.
Is Kenyatta Bishaw or anyone?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. All right. Are you represented by counsel?
No, I would like to be.
All right, I'm going to put you in the breakout room. I'm going to put you in breakout room. And please, legal aid, notify us when you made a determination on whether you represent her or not, so that we can know what's going on. On case number 2239-6727, Orleans Landing versus Jay Burns and occupants on Franklin. Mr. Burns is here. I see. You are muted, Mr. Burns. Can you unmute? Mr. Marchese, could I have your appearance first?
Daniel Marchese, P75872 plaintiff.
Am I unmuted? Can you hear me now, Judge?
I can hear you now.
Okay.
Can you state your name?
Jay Burns.
Okay, Mr. Burns, are you represented by counsel?
No.
Okay, have parties worked an agreement out?
I haven't even spoke with them.
Okay. Do you want counsel, Mr. Burns?
Yes, if that's possible. I have spoke to someone dealing with the building over here. I have spoke to them, but I don't have nobody defending.
You'll be prompted to join the Lakeshore legal lobby, and they'll deal with you from there.
Okay.
When you're ready, just come back out.
Okay.
On case number 2239-6729, Orleans Landing versus Melrose Couture of Michigan on reappeal.
Daniel Marchese, P75872 plaintiff.
Thank you. Is Melrose Couture here? Ms. Marchese, court finds good cause to adjourn this matter March 3rd at 9:35 a.m.
I forgot who was in that loan with me doing.
Calling case number 22396730 Orleans Landing versus DeCarlo Dozier and occupants on Franklin.
Marquez P 75872 plaintiff.
DeCarlo Dozier here. Because of notice issues, the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 3rd at 9:35 a.m. Calling case number 22396732 Orleans Landing versus Mario Glover and occupants on Ripel. May I have appearances?
Marquez P 75872.
Mr. Glover here, Mario Glover. Due to notice issues, the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 3rd at 9:35 a.m. On case number 22396733 Orleans Landing versus Ariel Joyner and occupants of Woodbridge.
Marquez P 75872. This matter is being dismissed, making its way to your file.
Okay. Thank you, counsel. This matter is dismissed without prejudice. On case number 22396734 Orleans Landing versus Kellen McKnight.
Marquez P 75872 plaintiff.
Thank you. Is Kellen McKnight here? Or anybody on Orleans? All right, the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to the originally scheduled court date of March 3rd, 2023 at 10 a.m. In hopes that the defendant will appear on that date. Calling case number 22396735 Orleans Landing versus Tishania White and occupants on Atwater. May I have appearances?
Marquez P 75872 plaintiff.
Thank you, Mr. Marchese. Is Tashania White here? Is Tasha White here? Anyone who lives at 1595 Atwater? Court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 3rd, 2023 at 10 a.m. Calling case number 22396737 St. Antoine Gardens versus Cheryl Miles and occupants on Price.
Yeah.
Marquez P 75872 plaintiff.
Yes, and Cheryl Miles here?
Yes.
All right, can you state your name for the record?
Cheryl Miles.
Do you have representation, Ms. Miles?
Yes.
Or who is your attorney?
I'm fucked up. What you say?
Who is your
I couldn't
attorney?
hear you.
I'm fried, fucked up.
And Mr. Day, can you mute your device and watch your mouth?
Yeah, yes, sir. I apologize.
Thank you. Ms.
Your
Miles,
Honor, what is, yes.
who is your attorney? Who's your counsel?
I don't have one.
All right. All right, if you expect to talk to counsel, please let me know. Mr. Marchese is here, but you can talk to Mr. Marchese, you can talk to counsel, and then talk to Mr. Marchese. But the court needs to know what you want to do, and the court can't make a decision for anyone. So please let me know. Mr. Marchese is here as well as legal counsel. So please let me know what you'd like to do.
You talking to me, Your Honor?
Yes.
What I want to do is get more time to move. I don't want to stay.
All right, we're gonna recall your matter.
You want me to speak with her in a breakout room or?
I would love to, is Mr. Tate, can we get an update on any of Marchese's clients who you all have talked to?
Your Honor, I just needed to speak with Mr. Marchese on Ms. Lynch. And then if possible, I could swing back around and speak with Ms. Miles.
All right, because we're not making too much progress here.
Judge, we do have one case ready to be called if you'd like.
Go down there. So, okay, so I'll talk to Mr. Tatum. What about the other two, Kenyatta Bishaw and Jay Burns? Are they speaking to an attorney?
I believe Kenyatta Bashaw and Mr. Burns are speaking with Lakeshore attorneys.
Lakeshore attorneys, okay. All right, whenever you're ready, Mr. Tate.
Thank you.
All right, Attorney Coleman, you have some dismissals?
Yeah, Your Honor, I get my adjourned dates as well.
What was
yeah,
ready?
Okay, real quick, Your Honor, there was a 9:30 with Attorney Featherston. I'm assuming that's being adjourned back to that original date because I have not been able to reach Attorney Featherston. That's the case ending in 4314 for Levine.
Set for 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I get it. Okay. What do you have? What case numbers are dismissals?
6746 and 6749.
6746 and 6749.
Correct, Judge.
I'm gonna call these right now, and then I'll give you these adjourn dates, and then.
Okay.
All right, calling case number 22396749. This is Rhapsody LLC versus Adriana Dinkins and occupants on Memorial.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P. 56548. On behalf of the plaintiff, we're dismissing the matter without prejudice.
Thank you, counsel. Calling case number 22396746, Pasadena Investments versus Tracy Gibson and occupants on East Jefferson.
Your Honor, again, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P. 56548. On behalf of the plaintiff, this matter is being dismissed without prejudice.
So granted. Calling case number 22396744. This is Audrey Carr, Robert Thomas, and occupants on Kilbourne. Robert Thomas here. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, if they're not here, I'm assuming the matter is going to be adjourned to the original date. What's the date of adjournment on this one?
March 3rd, 2023 at 10 a.m. Let's see if I can put all these on the record at one time.
I just have 2 more left, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this is Cheryl Miles. Do I have to wait on the phone?
Calling case number 22396745, Pasadena Investments LLC versus Brooklyn Marines and occupants on East Jefferson.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick Coleman, P. 56540 on behalf of the plaintiff. Your Honor, if Mr. Marines is here, then we can get this matter worked out. He doesn't owe but basically a month's rent.
Okay, Mr. Marines, good morning. Can you state your name?
Brooklyn Marinas.
Okay, Marinas.
Yeah, you're fine.
All right, thank you. How much rent is owed?
$805, court cost of $157 for a total amount of $962.
Okay, $962. Mr. Marinas, are you planning on paying that $962?
Well, last time, the last court date, it was supposed to be dismissed because everything's been paid up to in full, so I'm not sure what's going on.
Well, you owe for the month of February right now.
I don't owe anything. It's zero balance.
When did you pay February's rent, sir?
I paid it some last week, then the rest.
Okay, Mr. Marine, give me 1 second. Let me reach out to my client. We can recall this and I can confirm, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, if you can
Okay.
recall that one in a few minutes, I have an update.
Okay, all right, we'll get an updated balance and recall this matter, and then let me call this final, we call these the final two. Is this rap, is it? Okay. I think I called these. Did I call any of the cases?
I don't think you called Rhapsody before, Your Honor. This is the first time.
Calling case number 22396750, Rhapsody LLC versus Burning Sitters and Occupants on Beaconsfield.
Your Honor, again, for the record, Attorney Frederick Coleman, P 56548. On behalf of the plaintiff, this matter is a non-payment of rent subsequent hearing.
Thank you, is Burning Sitters here? All right, this matter, court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 3rd, 2023 at 10 a.m. And this is your final matter. Calling case number 22396744, Audrey Carr versus Robert Thomas and occupants on Kilbourne.
Your Honor, again, I thought you gave me a date on this one already, for the record, Attorney Frederick Coleman.
Thank you, Attorney Coleman. The court date on this matter is March 3rd, 2023 at 10 o'clock a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Only thing I have left in, Your Honor, is to make this phone call, but there's that one for Levine with Attorney Featherston. I'm assuming we're going back to the original date of March 2nd on that one.
Okay, I'll put that with your other case. Well, okay. I'll wait around just in the event that Mr. Featherston appears.
Your Honor, I've been trying to reach out to Mr. Featherston for 2 hours. I doubt very seriously if he's appeared. He hasn't responded to me, so I think we'll just take the date if we can. And if he does show up, just give me a call.
All right. Court finds good cause. Calling case number 22394314, Bill Properties versus Latoya Murphy.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick Coleman, P 56548, on behalf of the plaintiff, staying for the attorney of record, Jared Levine. This matter was originally scheduled for March 2nd at 9:55. It was switched to today's date. I've been unable to reach Attorney Featherston, so I'm assuming he was not notified of today's date. So we're asking this matter to be rescheduled for March 2nd, 2023 at 9:55, if the court will so allow.
Court will allow this adjournment to March 2nd, 2023 at 9:55 a.m. It's good cause because of the mix-up in notice.
Understood, Judge.
All right.
I will check on this other matter and raise my hand once I get an answer, okay, Judge?
All right. Ms. Albu. Ms. Alfonso?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, here.
Okay, good morning. I'm sorry, not Miss, but is Alfonso Turner here? Mr. Turner, I need you to zoom into 436. You're in the wrong courtroom. I need you to dial into a different Zoom call. Yeah, you're in the wrong courtroom. I need you to dial into a different Zoom call. I'm keeping this Zoom room open for people who are coming in here. Are you ready for the new Zoom call, sir? Right. So you call the number and then you typed in the Zoom call.
Cases. Oh yeah, it's definitely about to.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We're still in the middle of a hearing. This case has been called. I'm talking to the defendant. I'm trying to get him switched over to 436. Please, no one make any comments right now.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Someone will be with you in a minute.
Huh?
Someone will be with you shortly.
Oh, okay. This is Mrs. Miles. I'm still holding on because I don't know what he want me to do.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Coleman. I'm ready for that matter to be recalled. I have an answer for that one ending in
Mr. Coleman, Mr. Coleman, please hold up. We called a case. We're in the middle of a hearing. I'm checking somebody in on a laptop who's in 533. Has to get to 436.
I apologize, Judge. I didn't hear you. I was on the phone. I apologize. I'm waiting for you, letting you know.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, what am I waiting for? This is Cheryl Miles.
All right, we'll recall this matter. Attorney Abel, Mr. Turner is checking in. He's checking in, he's zooming out of one courtroom and he'll check into the other.
Okay, Your Honor. So I'll hold. You'll recall the matter.
Yeah, I'll recall the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Coleman, you ready on that last matter?
Yes, Judge.
All right, recalling case number 22396745, Pasadena Investments versus Brooklyn Marinas and occupants on East Jefferson. Could you state your name for the record?
Your Honor, again, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P 56548, on behalf of the plaintiff.
Thank you. And Mr. Marinas, could you state your name again?
Brooklyn Marinas.
Thank you, Mr. Marinas.
Your Honor, I did confirm with my client, Mr. Marinas did make his payment for February. The only balance he has would be the court cost of $150. But we're not going to take a judgment for that amount. We're going to just do a dismissal. So we'll be submitting dismissal on behalf of the plaintiff for this matter.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, parties, for working that out. Court assigned dismissal.
You and your staff have a wonderful day. See you next week.
All right, have a great weekend. That goes for both.
Thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have that one recalled.
I'm aware. You ready? You have one that could be recalled, you said?
Yes, I have 4 tenants here now.
Okay, I'm in there.
Have you talked to all of them?
Yes, I have.
All right. Well,
Yes, I'm here.
Which case number are you ready on?
I'm in there.
223-95959.
Calling case number 223-95995. Ratio, no. Strike that from the record. Calling case number 223-95959. Stacey Smith versus Crystal.
I'm here.
Can you state your name for the record?
Crystal Page.
Thank you. Ms. Smith, can you state your name for the record?
Stacey Smith.
All right. Ms. Smith, we're here for a summons for non-payment of rent. complaint for non-payment of rent. The parties worked out a resolution.
Yes, Your Honor, I would like to dismiss this case without prejudice. The case has been resolved between both parties.
All right, good news. Thank you all. This case will be dismissed. Will you be submitting a dismissal or?
Yes, I can come down to the court.
I'll just do it for you. Happy Friday.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You say you have one more ready?
Yes, 223-95963.
Oh, thank you, Judge. Just trying to do 95963. Yes. Calling case number 22395963, Stacy Smith versus Adrian Tatum. It's on patent.
Tatum present.
Stacy Smith present.
Thank you, Ms. Smith. Could you state your name again, Ms. Tatum?
Tamiko Tatum.
And Tamiko Tatum, do you reside at 83089?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And were parties able to work out a resolution on this matter?
Yes, Your Honor. Mrs. Tatum is all caught up on her rent. The only thing is owed is just the court cost of $160, and she can just apply that with March's rent.
Okay, you by dismissing this, all right, you requesting a dismissal?
Yes, I'll take a dismissal on this as well, Your Honor.
Okay, so you're not gonna have any legal rights to getting that other rent, but obviously if it goes over, then you know you could refile, but I'll leave that up to the court. I'll leave that up to you. Of course, not legal advice, but that legal fee is not going to linger over. It's not eliminated, but it's not going to, like, the case is dismissed. So if you want to start another case, you just start all over.
I understand. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Taylor. Yeah. You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Attorney Tay here, ready on 663 with Mr. Marchese.
I still had two more cases.
Oh, I apologize, Ms. Smith. Go ahead.
That's okay.
I did take cuts. That's exactly what
No,
I did.
that's okay.
I just wanted to let you know so you know exactly what I did. Okay.
No, thank you.
The thing is that makes things frustrating is that we're not in person. And a lot of this would be eliminated. And you know, so we'll deal with it. Thank you for apologizing.
Thank you. I appreciate it too.
All right. Is Anita Page here?
No, she's not here. I guess we'll wait for the original court date on that one.
And then is Eric Mitchell here?
Yes, he is.
Okay, I'll call. All right, we'll call Anita Pages first and adjourn this one. Calling case number 22395956. This is Stacy Smith versus Anita Page and occupants on Tuxedo. May I have appearances? Ms. Smith, can you state your name for the record?
Stacy Smith.
Thank you. Is Anita Page present? Due to the confusion in court dates, the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 6th at 9:30 a.m. March 6th at 9:30 a.m. Calling case number 2239598. Excuse me, 2239598. Stacy Smith versus Eric Mitchell and occupants on Penrod. May I have appearances?
Stacy Smith.
Thank you. Is Eric Mitchell present?
He was here.
Mr. Mitchell, Eric Mitchell. What would you like to do, Ms. Smith? Would you like to stick around? Do you want to stick around and try to resolve this, or?
No, because, yeah, he didn't show up last time. He just texted me. He said he was all checked in, so I'm not sure what's going on. I can just wait till the next court date, I guess. He's prolonging it. He said he's here. He's texting me. I don't know where he's at.
Okay. But we'll note that 533 is open and no one is in the Zoom room in 533. But
he's texting me saying he can hear us, but we can't hear him.
all right, the court will find good cause to adjourn this matter to March 6, 2023 at 9:30 a.m. In the event you all can work a resolution in the meantime, the court is open and will receive all documents submitted. So.
Thank you. And I do have one last one. Miss Rachel Owens was the first one here. She's been waiting. I'm sorry.
All I have is Crystal Page.
Oh,
I'm sorry, that's a dismissal. You said Rachel Owens?
Yes, 223-95962.
Calling case number 223-95962, Stacy Smith versus Rachel Ellis Owens and occupants. Ms. Smith?
Stacy Smith for the record. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Owens, Ms. Ellis Owens, can you state your name? Ms. Smith, I'll recall this matter unless you want me to set an adjourned date. I don't know where.
You can set an adjournment date, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 6th at 9:30 a.m. March 6th.
Thank you.
At 9:30 a.m. You are welcome. Have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, our parties. You said parties are ready on 663? Mr. Tate?
Yes, Your Honor, that is Shakita Lynch.
Okay, all right, calling case number 22396663, CCACBD Detroit LLC versus Shakita Lynch and occupants at Park Avenue.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Lynch. Can you state your name for the record?
Shakita Lynch.
Attorney Sean Tate, P57767 with Lakeshore Legal Aid, representing Ms. Lynch. I did come up with, we did come up with an agreement for a conditional dismissal with a voluntary move out date of March 31st with 4B being checked. Is that correct, Mr. Marchese?
Yes, sir.
Voluntary move out date of March 31st. 4B is checked. Conditional dismissal is granted. I'll sign it when the court proceeds it. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Marchese, we will file that with the court on Monday morning if possible, okay?
Yeah, please email me a copy for review so I can review and sign it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, thank you very much, Ms. Lynch. I'll be in contact with you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Tate. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You are welcome. Have a great weekend.
Yeah, have a good weekend.
There was another matter regarding a Cheryl Miles. I wanted to know if she had an opportunity to speak with someone from Lakeshore. She was on a phone number. I don't know if she was able to change it.
And a lot of people, yeah, and courts wear these power issues too, and the value of maintaining your battery power when you don't have electricity. So
I don't have the Miles case number.
I can Yes, 737. I have it on my desk. But she's not here. Can you put the parties come to terms?
No, she was here. I was trying to interview her. So she might have came and left. Right.
She got impatient. So, court finds, you want me to adjourn this matter to speak?
Man, if she's not here, I don't see how you have any other choice.
Yeah, I think, I wanted to give you all an option, but really, let's call the case. 2239-6737, St. Antoine Gardens versus Cheryl Miles and occupants on private drive.
Dana Marchese, P7582.
Court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 3rd, 2023 at 10:00 a.m. Does that conclude your cases, Mr. Marchese?
No, I got two other cases, Kenyatta Bishaw and Jay Burns, and they look like we're speaking to Elizabeth Phillips and Heidi Diaz, so, or I guess what, Nashua and Heidi Diaz, so whenever they're ready, I guess.
Okay. Recalling case number 2239-6787, Cascade Funding versus Alfonso Turner.
Your Honor, I believe you called my case, Lorella Albu, P67035.
Good morning, Ms. Albu. Mr. Turner. Mr. Turner's checked in at 533. I'm having a very difficult time converting him over to 436. So the court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to March 3rd, 2023 at 10 o'clock a.m. If I would have him, then it wouldn't be fair. In the event you need to speak to counsel, so he'll be ready to go. Mr. Turner, advise the court, he'll be ready to work his Zoom, and he should be able to kind of figure it out before March 3rd. So you all be ready to go on March 3rd.
I understand.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Apple.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Have a great weekend. Is Jeanette Foster here? Yes, Jeanette Foster is here. Is Monique White here?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, calling case number 2239. Have you all had a conversation?
Her and I know.
All right, I need you all to talk before I call this case.
Okay.
Monique White, I'll put you all in a breakout room. Put you in breakout room 11. You'll get an invite. And then let me know you all are done. Let me know. I'll call your case. I'll recall.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Attorney, is Jessica Daniels here? Is Jessica Daniels or anyone at 3404 Lawton? Good morning, Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'll call this case unless you want to wait around a little longer.
I don't, Your Honor. I did meet in the breakout room with Housing Council, and we're not going to be able to resolve anything.
Okay. So I'll call the case. Next date is March 6th, 9:30. I'll call it though. Calling case number. Okay. Yeah, March 6th at 9:30.
All right.
Calling case number 22395982, Fountain Court Housing Co-op versus Jessica Daniels and occupants on Lawton.
Good morning, Your Honor. Julie Croda, P39367, on behalf of the plaintiff.
Thank you, counsel. The court finds good cause to adjourn this matter to the originally scheduled court date of March 6, 2023 at 9 a.m. to ensure all parties are present and ready to go.
Your Honor, can I ask, since this has been the third hearing now, I don't know if it's being set over. I know the docket is changing so much, but we're going to request a trial date. Will I have to do that March, or can I do that now?
Trial, like a jury trial or bench trial?
No, just a bench trial.
Okay, I mean, if you have witnesses, it's a trial.
We're only going to have one witness.
Okay, well, we can conduct it on that same date. Actually, I mean, it doesn't change because this is summary proceedings and a hearing with witnesses and evidence gets you the same result. We're not talking about a jury, so.
No, not at all, Your Honor. That's fine. That works.
And what will happen is, to avoid another notice issue, we can prepare for March 6th, and if we have to go back in the afternoon, then we can, if we need more time.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Our party's ready on 978.
Excuse me. Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
Excuse
Ms.
me.
Daniels.
Yes, I have a question. Were you just ending information about my case? I just left the break room. Because I see the attorney, they just left.
Yeah, we just left. We couldn't find you all. Jessica Daniels,
Yeah, I was in the break room still speaking with the attorney. I just left out and I caught the very tail end of the lady
there's so
leaving.
many people from Lakeshore in here, and you know, if you're all retaining these clients, you all have to. I was told that there's no resolution. Is that accurate, Mr. Nashua?
That's not what he just told me.
Your
They
attorney,
mentioned,
Ms. Daniels.
I guess the guy, I don't know.
Your attorney is. That's one of the issues. That's one of the issues. Nobody even has an appearance. There's no attorney. Your case has been adjourned. I want you to prepare for your matter. It'll resume March 6th at 9:30 a.m.
Okay, is
March
this trial?
This will be a hearing, so it'll be very, very similar to a trial. If you need witnesses, please prepare to bring witnesses at 9:30 on March 6th. If you have evidence that you need to send to the other side, send it now through your counsel.
Is it the same courtroom and stuff?
Yep, we'll be in 436.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Apologies, Judge. Were you calling 978?
Yes. Calling case number 22395978, Bridget Brooks versus Sharonda Thomas and occupants on Rutherford. May I have appearances?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Atisha, PA 2009 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Good morning, Your Honor. Issa Nashawat, P 85218 on behalf of defendant.
Good morning.
Your Honor, we came to a resolution of this matter. We decided that we were going to do an eviction judgment against all occupants with 30 days to move out, which I believe is March 26th.
Okay, eviction judgment as to all occupants. We can do. Okay. And was this originally a termination?
No, it was a non-payment of rent, Judge.
Okay. A judgment, all occupants. Okay. The move out date of, are we converting this to a termination?
I believe so. I have no objections to that.
Okay, there's no redemption amount, right, counsel?
It wasn't a money judgment, so no, anything would be handled afterwards if my client decides to do that.
Because if your client wants a termination of tenancy, I'll give it to them. If there's a redemption amount where they can pay and stay, do you want that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so court convert this to a termination of tenancy with the move out date of, can you repeat that for me?
March 26th.
March 26th, thank you. The court will enter that when we receive the judgment. All right, any other issues? Or does this conclude this matter?
Not on my end, Your Honor.
All right, okay, thank you, counsel. Have a great weekend.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. All right, let's see who's waiting around. Attorney Wu.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr.
Good morning.
Please follow.
What matter are you on?
Three matters, Lil Cash, Patrick Freeman, and Robert Day. Lil Cash and is going to be a dismissal. And then the other two, we're gonna do judgments on the record.
Uh-oh. I think you're supposed to be in 538 counsel.
Okay, it originated out of Jones Coleman.
Okay, and you'll notice it says 436.
Yes.
538.
Who's that judge? Sabri? I mean, Jock?
Yeah, exactly.
Jock, okay. Because I believe two of the people are actually here in the gallery, so they should also be in 538.
Yes. Give me the case numbers, I confirm.
Okay, so Lil Cash is first, 213-55-1111.
Okay, Sweet Properties versus Lily Cash?
Yeah, Lily Cash, yes.
Yeah, Attorney Callahan at 10:30.
Yes. Patrick Freeman is 2237
The
5756.
5756, and you have 931 with Horka and Robert Day.
Yes, Robert Day is, yes.
Robert Day, wasn't Robert Day in here too?
He was.
But I have it, my case number ends in 8782 for Robert Day.
Yeah, all three. I can confirm all three are in here. I mean, are in JK's courtroom and
Okay.
538.
Okay. 538. So I guess all the people in the Zoom gallery, they need to be bounced over to 538.
Yes, so let's call those names again. Lily Cash, Patrick Freeman, and Robert Day.
Yep. Yes.
All right. Robert Day, Patrick Freeman. I need you all to zoom into 538.
Okay.
Okay. 538, Sean JK.
How do we do that? Yeah, how we do that?
How'd you get in here?
I gave them the Zoom numbers. I believe it was did I text you guys?
Okay, if you punch in the Zoom number, and it's 360. The only three that'll change, instead of 436, you're typing 538. So it's 360 538 0000.
Yes.
It's like 360, like 36. 360 538 0000. Yep, 40. And I'm gonna get you out of here. Mr. Freeman, you have the new code?
Excuse me?
Do you have the new code?
The new code? Oh,
the Zoom code.
I heard it, but I'm gonna ask you, can you text it to me?
Let me do it now. Patrick Freeman.
I as well.
And
okay.
All right. You all might miss your hearing. It's 360, like 36th district, like 360 degrees. All you have to remember is 538. 360 538 0000. I need to get you all out of here so you get in there. And if he's texting you all, then you have double insurance. You all have a great Friday. Make sure you make it work. All right.
You too, man. Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
So let's log in to that court.
All right, Mr. Mulchek, I'm gonna get you out of here. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Is Jeanette Foster here? Yes, that's where we started. Is Jeanette Foster here? Mr. Bo and Mr. Hawk, are you all ready to proceed? Mr. Bo,
Hello, how you doing? I'm here.
Doing well. Did you retain counsel?
Yes.
All right, who's your attorney?
I didn't get her name. It was from your court. You transferred me to her.
Your Honor, I gave him advice, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, so there won't be any appearance?
No.
Okay. All right. I'll call your matters shortly. Mr. Bo and Mr. Hot.
Okay.
It's right here. Let me see who else is in here to make sure nobody's.
Excuse me, Judge. There's no resolution with Jeanette Foster.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll call your case as well. I'll call you after Hawk and Bo.
Thank you.
Stacy Smith and Crystal Page, I believe.
That was dismissed.
Oh, yeah, that was dismissed. Okay, I have a dismissal here. That's why I still have it. I'm gonna do her dismissal out. Is Kyra Thomas here?
Yes.
All right. Did you talk to Aaron Cox? Did you talk to the attorney on the other side, or did you talk to legal counsel?
No, I haven't talked to anyone.
All right. Well, if you want to talk to legal counsel, they're here. You should put your hand up. No. If not, I can call your case. I don't know.
You can call it.
Calling case number 22394519, Garden View Estates versus Kyra Thomas. Who's the attorney for Cox? I'll recall this matter.
Okay.
Sure, Judge. You got 3 cases. I'll try to get you out of here, Ms. Thomas. Monte Crawford. Is Monte Crawford here? And is Tina Garrett here? Is Tina Garrett or Monte Crawford present? All right, calling case number 2239599. This is Razio LLC versus Monte Crawford and occupants on Stansberry. May I have appearances? Court notes that no one is recalled, has answered the call for this case. Defendants failed to appear. Plaintiff's counsel has failed to appear. There's good cause to adjourn this matter to March 6th at 9:30 a.m. Calling case number 2239646, Logical PM versus Tina Garrett and occupants on Asbury Park. Is Tina Garrett here? Is anyone representing is anyone from Attorney Cox's office present? This court case was scheduled for 9:35. The court is aware that there may be notice issues. Both parties have failed to appear. This court date will be rescheduled on its original date of 3/3 at 9:35 a.m. That's March 3rd at 9:35 a.m. Attorney Weiner. James Weiner here. Attorney Weiner. All right, is Attorney Bieber here? Is Attorney Bieber here or anybody who lives on Promenada? Calling case number 2239679. This is Tax Home Improvement LLC versus all occupants at 11224 Promenada. Court has called this case. No one has appeared. This case was scheduled for 10 a.m. No one is in 533 currently at the Zoom. Attorneys failed to check in. Occupants failed to check in. Plaintiff isn't here either. Parties made in this case is on March 3rd at 10 a.m., which was the originally scheduled court date. So the court finds good cause to adjourn this case to the originally scheduled court date on March 3rd, 10 a.m. All right. We call Attorney Cox's office.
Yep, Judge, I called them. They said they're going to send someone on. I don't know if it's particularly him, but they're going to try to send someone.
Okay. Ms. Thomas?
Yes.
Somebody will be coming from Attorney Cox's office. If you want legal counsel, then Lakeshore should be able to assist in the meantime. Attorney Saman?
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Morning.
Can you have a conversation with Ms. Thomas? If
Sure.
she needs counsel, send her out the room, but nobody's responding from Lakeshore. She's been here all day, and I want to get her out of here.
Your Honor, we'll speak.
You want to talk to her brief? Okay.
I will speak with Ms. Thomas as advice only.
If
Mr.
I may,
Saman, go
Judge,
ahead.
Judge, a dismissal was submitted in this case. This case ending in 519, correct?
Yes.
Yes, a dismissal was submitted to the court in this case. Actually, it indicates on the ROA.
Sounds like you're all set, Ms. Thomas.
Thank you.
Wait,
have a
sit
great
tight,
spot.
sit tight.
I'm not going anywhere right now.
All right, well, that concludes this matter. Thank you, Mr. Saman. Did you have any other dismissals?
Me, I do not.
Okay, I adjourn all your other matters for Cox because none of the defendants are present, and policy right now is that we have to set it to the original court date. So I believe it was case number ending in 486 is set for March 3rd at 9:35. Case number ending in 995 is set for March 6th at 9:30. See what else you have in this pile. That may be it.
So
is that it?
Yep, that's it. Your Honor, Attorney Tate here with Lakeshore. The Thomas matter is dismissed. Is that correct?
That is correct.
So, Ms. Thomas, it seems that your case is dismissed.
So I can go.
She's free to leave. She's free to
Okay.
leave.
Thank
It's noted in the file. You have a great weekend, Ms. Thomas. Thank you for your patience.
No problem.
All right, thank you, Judge. I think that's it for me. I see that you adjourned my other matter with Attorney Namazi.
Was she here? No, Felicia Evans. We couldn't get Felicia Evans here. I think that's what the issue was.
Oh, okay. Well, we've been discussing a resolution either way, but yeah, I think that's it for me this morning, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. All right, thank you. Have a great
Have a good
weekend.
weekend.
Judge, this is Attorney Marchese. I'm just going to adjourn my two remaining matters, if that's okay.
That is okay with the court. Recalling case number 22396726. This is Orleans Landing versus Keonta Bashaw and occupants on Atwater.
Attorney Marchese, P 75872, requesting adjournment to March 3rd, whatever time you have.
All right, March 3rd, this case will be adjourned to March 3rd at 9:35 a.m.
Thank you both so much.
All right, Mr. Bashaw, please come prepared on March 3rd. Calling case number 223, have a great weekend. Calling case number 22396727, Orleans Landing versus Jay Burns and occupants on Franklin.
Attorney Marchese, P 75872, requesting adjournment on March 3rd, 2023.
Adjournment is granted to March 3rd, 2023 at 9:35 a.m.
Thanks. Have a good weekend, Judge.
All right. Recalling case number 22395942, Muhammad Haq versus Lukman Bo and occupants on Red Road. May I have appearances? Please state your name for the record, Mr. Haq. Yeah, I need you to state your, can you say your name? We can't hear you. All right, it's very low, and my court report is going to have a big issue. Mr. Ball, do you have counsel?
Yeah, she just.
Only. Okay, I got you.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Mr. Hop. Yes, sir. You need to adjust your audio so we can't proceed like this. Might want to go to your settings. And then just let me know. I'll call another case and then recall yours. Try it out now. And when you adjust your mic, we'll recall it because we can't proceed. I know Ms. White and Ms. Fox are already. So I'll recall that matter. Calling case, recalling 22396633. This is Monique White versus Jeanette Foster and all occupants on Telegraph. May I have appearances?
Hi, I'm here.
All right, could you please state your name for the record?
Monique White.
Thank you, Ms. White. Is Ms. Foster here?
Yes,
Can you state your name for the record?
Jeanette Foster.
Thank you, Ms. Foster. Were parties able to work an agreement out?
No, no, sir.
Okay. This is a demand for non-payment of rent. What's the monthly rent?
$1,000.
Okay, and I see the court does have a lease as well as a proof of service. When's the last time rent was paid?
It was arrears paid for April's rent of 2022.
I don't understand I understand.
So she paid for April 2022 rent of $1,000 to catch up from arrearage and hadn't paid since. But the last payment I received for April's rent was in November.
So April got finished up in November.
Yes.
Okay, so she owes May, June,
Yes.
July, August, September, October, November, December, January, and February.
Correct.
Is that accurate?
No, no, Judge. I have paid Monique. January, I had informed Monique that I was going to be late on payments. I accumulated a balance.
2022.
I'm speaking, I'll let you answer the questions. I accumulated a balance because she wanted me to do a Sarah that did not work. I originally started, I'm not even gonna go all off into the rest of it. I started making my payments once Sarah was denied, August the 3rd. I gave her $2,500, August 26th, and I paid her every month since then. She told me in September or October that I needed to pay her $1,200. And I could break it up, pay her every 2 weeks in order to catch up with the balance. So that is what I did. November, I told Monique couldn't afford to pay her every 2 weeks, but I still will pay her monthly rent. And if she wanted to go through with the procedure we doing now, I understood. She said, no, monthly rent is still required and I expect to be paid out during tax time. My last payment to Monique was November 24th. She showed up at my door with a 7-day notice with an arresting officer, November 28th. With a 7-day notice. So when I just was in the break room speaking with her, I just found out that because I made a Facebook status saying, do anyone know have a 3-bedroom available after I paid her is why she came to my door with this. But I've paid her every time she told me to pay her. I've been paying her. I don't understand where, like I text her. I text her.
Hold on. Ms. Foster.
Yes.
You said every time she's asked you to pay her, you pay her. Now,
yes.
I want to get clarity on this statement. How are you behind on any rent?
Yes, I'm behind. I haven't paid her.
So you haven't paid her everything she's asked you to pay her, right?
Yes, I have paid her.
Well, you wouldn't owe any rent because she's asking for rent that's owed. And you haven't paid it, so you haven't paid her everything she's asked, correct?
I haven't. My last payment was in November.
Okay, so how much?
November 24th was the last payment I gave to her. I paid her October, September, November, August. I paid her.
Were you paying the $1,000 rent, or were you paying the arrearage?
I guess that's what she said. She said it was back payment that I was paying her.
Okay, so what's your balance? Do you know your balance right now?
No, because I've been going through our messages and I'm sure now because I haven't paid her since November, Well, December, my next payment, December. So I don't know what my balance is. No, I don't.
So how you gonna pay your rent? You don't know your balance.
I've been paying her. Okay, so I said after November, I don't know the balance. She's texted me every month. Every time I pay her, she texts me and told me a new balance. So I text her and I said, I don't know where this balance coming from, because every time I give you $1,000, it seems like $1,000 is added to my rent. She didn't tell me, oh, well, you're paying, this is back money or anything like that, because again,
If you owed it and it wasn't forgiven, it's still owed. So
but I didn't owe. She wanted me to do some Sarah for her, and she wanted to get back payment that I didn't have. So that's where I'm confused.
Sarah didn't come through, so there's
so
no
I paid her, and I've been paying her every month. But what does she want me to give her? $2,000 a month or 20? I don't understand.
Her what's owed, I'm assuming.
And that's what I was doing up until November 24th. I never stopped paying her. Is what I'm saying.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Foster. Miss White.
Yes,
What's the balance remaining on this property?
14,950. With late fees included,
How much are your late fees
$50
per month?
Yes,
And that's for May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, and February.
yes.
So that's $500 in late fees. Monthly rent from, when was the last time rent was paid in full? You said April?
Yes, April 2022.
You have a ledger?
Yes, I do.
May, June, so this would be $10,000 if rent wasn't paid from May plus another. So I only have 10,500. Where's the other amount coming from?
Okay.
How do we get to 14,950?
Your Honor, she been confused this whole process. She told me I didn't pay her when I did pay her.
Excuse me. I'm going to kick you out of my courtroom in a minute. I'm going to kick you out of my courtroom. Nobody asked you to speak, Ms. Foster. Please be quiet. You will afford time to talk, and we allow